Hi all. So welcome to my another video for YouTube channel Data Ad Hoc. Recently we just got new subscriber and I'm glad that uh, small with small step I'm making impact for this YouTube channel, and I'm very proud of that. At least one YouTube subscriber we got. So this time there is another interesting topic. So this week I have learned about colorizing black and white images. So I used one of the YouTube video as a reference and worked on that. So this is particular video I've checked as a reference and refer code from it. The and I tried working on this in Visual Studio Code, but maybe I'm not sure what is the exact issue. It give issue regarding that it is those models and images were not as a they can't read from that location. I'm learning this Visual Studio Code. Uh, uh, Started learning this recently, so still making silly mistake, minor mistake, which is causing big issue. So that's why I have tried checking in that particular code and worked on Jupyter notebook, and it gives accurate response. While working on this, the only issue I feel apart from Visual Studio Code is downloading this cafe model. So as per video, I tried checking on the uh, like respective link, but it was not there. And when I checked why I'm only getting that issue, then I found this Google Drives in comments where I find cafe model. From that I have downloaded it, and it gives perfect uh, result. So let's try to check the output once. So we can see here output is great, but there is again one condition here. As you can see from one of the comment here, I found that this model works best with pictures, natures like tree, flowers, dog, but seems to struggle with clothing, skin tone, and buildings. Additionally, there is always manual build OpenCV to have ability to use CUDA. So, like, I I agree with this, because when I work with this dog image, it gives perfect output, but when I try to work with city, the output is not great. So let's check. So you can see here black and white, I referred as black and white of Mumbai, and output is not perfectly synced with color image, actual color image. So I agree, but so there is available codes maybe I can try in future, but this is the starting point. And I thanks Neural 9 for the uh, it gives me opportunity to learn this one of the new method in Python, and trying to work on that particular ML model. So I learned this, and I tried to share with you all. So if you have any another reference, or if you can suggest any uh, like method or any uh, you can comment on anything related to colorizing black and white images uh, in Python, specifically because I prefer Python most of the time. So you can comment in comment, and I will also I will surely check it out. But in upcoming days, uh, in few like in future, I will try to work on same black and white to colorize images with another code or another method. Till then, uh, thanks for your support, and uh, that's it for today. So we'll again come back tomorrow. So since I have started giving daily video for this YouTube channel, so we'll surely work on it, and I will try to make sure to make interesting topic video on daily basis. So it will also help me to learn and relearn new things over the time. Thank you.